Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about Gizmos. Gizmos are used to give visual debugging in the scene view. First add a script to your object and open it. In the code we'll use the onDraw Gizmos selected method. I set the color of the Gizmos to yellow and then we draw the Gizmos with the draw sphere method. Let's try it now. As you can see, when I click on the object, it draws a yellow sphere. Now let's duplicate our object. We'll draw a line between two objects. Let's open our code and create a transform object. Then change our method to draw line and set the start and end point. Let's try it now. Assign our target object. As you can see, there is a line between two objects. We can also use this with the multiple objects. Now let's use the onDraw Gizmos method. In this example, we are drawing a blue cube. The difference of this method is that it directly activate without clicking. You can use Gizmos in complex scenes to make things easier. That's it. If you wanna support me, please like the video, also subscribe. See you in the next video.